For learning continue and break in loops, we'll write a simple program where we can actually print some odd numbers. Say int I is equal to, let us start from 1, because odd numbers start from 0, and I is less than equal to, say, 20 up to 20 numbers, whatever odd numbers are in between there, and I plus plus. And this is the loop body we are making so that we can create this loop. And now for checking the odd number, what we say that we'll remove all even numbers. So if I is I mod 2 is equal to 0. This means mod 2 means I divisible by 2 and the remainder is 0. So this mod ensures that you can check the value. Its output will be the remainder of this division. So if I want to check that remainder, when it is divisible by 2, then the remainder will be 0. So what I do is I continue the loop. That means if the number is an even number, the loop continues, else it prints the number. And just to give some space between numbers, I give this. Okay, let me try this. Effect of continue. It should give me the result. Okay, it has given me 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, 11, 13, 15, 17, 19. Suppose I just want to do it and finish the loop earlier. Suppose I say if I is greater than 10, then break the loop. Continue actually puts my loop back to top, and break comes out of the loop right here. Just see. Because now if whenever the I is greater than 10, I is increasing because of this. So it breaks the loop. So now it is only printing up to 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. Here I would like to tell you that in this kind of method, actually what is happening, that it is actually checking for each number whether it is divisible by 2 or not. Sometimes people write it like this. Simple odd number loops like this. What they do is they don't check it and they just increase the number by 2 plus equal to 2, right? And less than equal to 2 is okay. So this would have been also printing me odd numbers, because the series starts from expected. Yeah, this is not required there. Third statement in for doesn't require this. So this is also printed. Here I can argue that I'll run for less number of digits, because I am running 1, then running 3 directly, then directly 5, and I am running this loop for less number of counts. But some people argue that I am not checking, validating each number. So this one is a method where I am validating each number, where I am saying that if I mod I %2 equal to 0, then continue. Here I am validating each number. So sometimes if validation of a number is required, then such kind of continue operation is a better technique. So now I have learned continue in break and loops, which can be used at whatever point we need. And actually break means break from this block. This represents a block. That's why you must have remembered that we were using break in switch also. Okay. Please like, share and subscribe.